How to enable or disable hide app icon badges when the screen is on during Do Not Disturb on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and in here tap on notifications. After that, go down and tap on Do Not Disturb. From here, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Hide Notifications. From here, tap on Hide App Icon Badges. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. Here we can hide app icon badges when the screen is on, or you can choose to show app icon badges. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.